Hello everyone, welcome back to our IP Audio series tutorial. In this episode, I will introduce the HTTP request of M100 dispatch microphone console S button feature. By setting this action, users can use the endpoint device's Apple feature to make quick requests for multiple features such as call or playback by filling in the specific API URL. Next, I'll demonstrate how to configure it. Here I will take M100 and I intercom as an example. First, you need to register the two devices to the IP Audio Center. After finishing this, you should go to the IS web GUI to enable the API. Go to Advanced API Settings page. There are many applications for APIs. For example, you can set URL callback settings such as call events, relay events, etc. Or set the call API, relay API, or audio playback API in the API settings. Here we take play audio as an example. Enable the option, copy the starts playing API URL, and then submit the settings. Return to the web GUI interface of M100 and enter basic settings button settings to make settings. Select a button to set, select HTTP request in the actions option, and then paste the playback URL you just copied in the HTTP URL box. You can also modify the volume, number of repetitions and other parameters, then submit and save. After the setting is completed, we will conduct a test. Click the API button just set on the M100, and you will immediately hear the intercom performs the API operation of playing audio.